Most people think earning money on Freecash is the difficult part. But here's the truth no one tells you. A lot of users get confused during the withdrawal process and accidentally delay their payouts. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to withdraw money from Freecash in 2026 step by step. You'll learn the fastest withdrawal methods, how long payouts usually take, and the biggest mistakes you need to avoid if you want smooth cashouts every time. Let's get straight into it. First, open Freecash and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at your current balance in the top section of the screen. After you reach the minimum withdrawal amount, tap the Cash Out option. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Freecash offers multiple withdrawal methods depending on your country. You may see PayPal, bank transfers, cryptocurrency, Visa cards, or gift cards, like Amazon and Google Play. If you want the simplest option, most beginners choose PayPal, because the setup is quick, and funds usually arrive fast. Alex from New York connected his PayPal account, and received his first payout in less than an hour. But here's the problem. Many users rush through verification, and then wonder why withdrawals get delayed. Before cashing out, Freecash may ask you to verify your email, phone number, or identity, depending on your account activity. This is where most people fail. They use fake information or incomplete profiles. That can trigger security reviews and slow down payouts significantly. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid withdrawal holds completely. After choosing your withdrawal method, enter the amount you want to cash out. Double-check your PayPal email or wallet address carefully before confirming. One small mistake can send your payout to the wrong destination. Once confirmed, Freecash processes the transaction. Some payouts are nearly instant, especially cryptocurrency withdrawals, while PayPal and gift cards may take a little longer, depending on traffic and verification status. Now here's an important tip many people ignore. Freecash often rewards active accounts with faster processing times. Jake from Chicago noticed his payouts became quicker after consistently completing offers without suspicious activity. Another smart strategy is starting with a small withdrawal first. This confirms your payment setup works correctly before cashing out larger balances later. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Freecash sometimes offers bonus rewards for certain withdrawal methods. For example, crypto cashouts occasionally provide slightly higher value compared to standard PayPal withdrawals. But remember this. Never use VPNs, duplicate accounts, or automated tools on Freecash. The platform actively checks for fraud, and violating rules can freeze your account permanently. So here's the bottom line. Withdrawing money from Freecash in 2026 is simple if you follow the right process. Verify your account. Choose a trusted payout method. Double-check your payment details and avoid suspicious activity. If you've already used Freecash, comment below which withdrawal method worked fastest for you. And if this guide helped you cash out successfully, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more online earning tutorials that actually work.